Hi, this is Maisha and Ross, and I'm going to be playing the MATLAB Tic Tac Toe game that me, Jennifer, and Sam designed. So our names are commented at the top of our code right here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and run it. And then as you can see, a pop-up explaining the instructions comes on, and it says, "This is the game of tic-tac-toe. You'll need 2 players, 1 X player and 1 O player. The goal of this game is to get 3 marks in a row, whether it be diagonally, horizontally, or vertically. Are you ready?" So for this pop-up and the pop-ups like it later on in the game, we used a lot of quest dialogues and list dialogues. So are you ready? Yes. And then as you can see, the game board pops up, and it's basically just a 3x3 graph with lines that create the areas that the X's and O's are supposed to go. And at the very top of this figure, you can see our names, Jennifer, Sam, and Maisha tic-tac-toe game. And then right here is the menu that you pick from when determining the position of your X or your O. So it says top left, top center, top right, and so on. And then at the very bottom here it says restart, meaning you could restart the game at any point in the game, and then also end the game at any point in the game. So it says X player, please enter your position, and I'm just going to choose top left. And then now O player, maybe middle right. X player, bottom right maybe. Okay, O player, bottom left. X player, top right. O player, middle left. X player, middle center. O player, bottom center. And then finally X player, top center. Okay, and then you see 3 in a row, and then because we don't have an automatic win detection in our code, we just, at the very end of the game, a pop-up appears using quest DLG, quest dialogue, who won. You can choose player X, player O, or tie. Since player X won, player X, and then another pop-up, congratulations player X, play again or end game. And I'm just going to hit play again, and then you can see the whole game restarts.
Now I'm going to demonstrate a game that would end in a tie, and show how we would proceed after that. So I'm going to start the game, starting with the X player, top center, and then O player would do middle center, then X top right, and O would do top left, then bottom right, middle right, and then middle left, and bottom center, and finish it with bottom left. So now it's a tie, and there's an option called tie, and so I'm going to click that, and it will give you an option to replay or end the game. So I'm going to show you the end game part, and it'll close the windows and exiting the game. Our game was also designed to so that the user can replay and end the game at any point during the game. So I'm just going to demonstrate. And let's say we want to restart. I'm going to click on this option and it'll restart for us. So you'll get a whole new game board and you can start all over again. And then at any point you want to end the game, we can press on this button and it'll close out the windows. Our program also has functions called xmove, omove, and game. Xmove and omove are functions that display the X's and O's on the game board according to what the user selected. And game is a function that displays a new game board and a new menu after the replay button is selected. So these functions make our program a lot more efficient because instead of having to repeat these codes over and over again in our main code, we can just call these functions and they make our code a lot more concise and less repetitive.